This Corecon training video covers another feature found in the Corecon Quality Control and Safety module called Punchlists. Typically, at the end of a project, a walkthrough or inspection takes place with the general contractor, construction manager, architect to identify any quality or non-conforming work issues. In Corecon, this list of non-compliance items can be documented and tracked using the punch list feature. Contractors are keen to keep track of these items since their contracts require complete resolution before a final invoice can be processed. A couple things to remember: punch list items can be accessed by Corecon's mobile apps, making it easier for project managers and superintendents to update the status on open items from the field. Open punch list items with a due date appear in the Quality Control, Calendar, and Alerts view shown at the top of the main menu, which appears as a bell icon. In addition, these items will also be included on the external team members' open items email, which is shown at the top of the Quality Control and Safety module's landing page. Multiple punch list items can be updated and deleted at once using the Global Change option on the listing. Remember, before you begin, to include companies that will be referenced on the punch lists in the project-specific project directory. Let's begin by adding punch list items manually. With a project selected in the Quality Control and Safety module landing page, go down to Punch Lists and Actions and Add Manually. You have three options. We're going to use option C. We'll identify the inspectors. We could add additional inspectors at this point by adding lines, then click Add and Next. The location, and at this point we're going to assign someone from our own company to be responsible. This can be changed once the information has been entered. These are default settings. Item number 1. We'll assign a responsible company for this line item. Note that we can also upload a file, or this could also be a photo. Item 2. And we'll add one more. And again, files could be attached to each of these. And click Add and Finish. Remember, items can be added from Corecon's browser application or from Corecon Mobile. Items can also be marked closed in both applications. There's another way to add punch list items, and that is to import from a Microsoft Excel template. To find these templates, go to the Knowledge Base article, Getting Started, Corecon Import Options from Microsoft Excel, to Quality Control and Safety, and open the Knowledge Base article on punch list items. There's a sample template in there and instructions on how to complete that and how to import it. I've already completed one, so I'm just going to pull that over so you can see what that looks like. Remember that the responsible company and the contact need to be added to your project directory before you can import these. The company name and the contact need to match exactly. I'm also going to renumber a few of these because we've already used those numbers for the 3 that we entered manually. Click File Save and File Close. Now I can go to Actions and import from Excel, or I can go back out to the Quality Control and Safety landing page and do the same. I'm going to import from Excel, choose the file, and select the file we just created. And click Open. All of the items imported successfully. Back to punch list items. I'm going to resort the punch list by item number. back to quality control and safety landing page. Let's say a little bit of time has gone by. Several of these items need to be updated or marked complete. So we'll go back to the punch list items and open the list. Let's correct one of the items. Click Edit. Might even want to change the due date. We'll add the responsible contact and the inspection date. We'll leave that one open for now. Back to the punch list items. Let's also resort by due date. Let's select these items on the left-hand side. We're going to go to Global Changes. We could update the responsible company and contact, the inspection date, the location. Let's do that with the inspection date, the due date, the completion date, or we could delete. Let's click Save. Now those have been updated. Let's do that one more time. Make sure we have the inspection date correct on all of them. So we've selected all. We'll go to inspection date. We could also adjust the due date and click Save. You'll no doubt be adding punch list items throughout the project, so you may need to come back to this page several times. You'll also need to update items on a regular basis, and for that reason you'll also need to come back. You may also want to print a report. So if we go to Reports, let's just print this last one. This one's grouped by status and then by the responsible company. It also includes date completed, and you also have several ways of printing and filtering the data that appears on this report. Back to quality control and safety. If you'd like to know more about the subject covered in this training video, we encourage you to go to the knowledge base, to leads and projects, to quality control and safety, and review the knowledge base article on Punchlists.